Hey everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So today we're filming a video for our language arts class.
A vlog behind the scenes.
Hi, I'm Sophie. Do you like dancing?
Nature, trees, nature, trees, nature, and trees, and nature, trees, and nature, nature, and trees, trees, and nature. All right, be careful. You're good. Here, let me try.
Go up here.
Yeah, I'm gonna.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today, I'm currently crippled. And I'm no help whatsoever. So basically, I'm just sitting here doing nothing, watching them trip, and it's really funny.
Ow.
Aloha.
That hurt. Do I really look like that much of a bald rat?
Yeah, I'm just kidding.
Ow.
Love you.
Oh. Yeah, she dropped the thing on my knee.
Hannah,
That's a sweat one. Now we can't use this clip. Yes, we can. Bald rat. Coming at you. Hanging out with nature. Save the tree.
Stroll. I'm going for a stroll.
Hiya, kids. I've got hair in my mouth.
Were you filming that?
No, do it again. That's quality content. It's a dance.
Okay, Hannah. I'm ready.
Hold on. Are you mouth? Okay. We're ready. Okay, so that. Like trip on it. So I haven't updated you guys in a while, but we're in the wilderness now. I've updated them. I've been talking about what we're doing. Yeah. Our game plan. So we're just currently going back through the wilderness. I wasn't introduced by. No, I don't think so. But yeah, that's Megan. So we're going back through the wilderness. Oh shoot, I'm falling. Oh, that was not a cute angle. Woo! With my luck in thumbnails, that's probably what's going to be the thumbnail, but let's hope not. Okay. So I'm trying to pose for a thumbnail. So let's go. Okay, I've got to find something for a thumbnail. Okay. I almost fell on a log. Hang on, let's put my sticker. And then by my hand, it's going to say welcome to nature. No. Come on, Hannah, let's go. Okay, I think we've got it. Hang on, we'll do one more and I'll try and make my face look normal. No, that was not good. No, that was not good.
The school computer is going to be like,
Shoot.
when people use the school computer, they're going to be like, what the hell happened? Who is doing this?
No. Shoot. Okay. 3, 2, 1. No. There's useless trees in the way. We've got to change angles. No, one more.
Okay, I'm going to start walking.
Okay. We'll go with that. My face probably looks retarded, but that's part of the fun. So, holding a giant iPad, and it's really embarrassing, and I'm holding it down low, so people can't see that I'm holding an iPad, but it's just making me look like I have a Dutch. So I need to hold it from a higher angle, so then people look better, not like that angle. Ooh, wrinkles. Okay, so we're talking through. Yeah. Also, comment down some more video ideas because we could really use some. Because, like, the reason we're not posting is because we don't have any quality video ideas. So our goal for June, well, actually the rest of this year, is to get some quality content about so we have some upload ideas. So if I remember, good chance I won't. Yeah. Good chance I won't, but I'll put them, some video ideas we have in the description bar down below. Video ideas. So if you see one you like, comment it. Exactly. Comment it down below. This, you see one you don't like, let us know. Sorry, truck. And if you see any more, if you have any more suggestions, like in our first video we got lots of weird suggestions like make jello in a kettle. It probably could be done. We're not smart enough for that, and we really don't want it. We don't have a kettle to make jello in. Well, I have a kettle, but my mum and dad wouldn't let me put like jello in it. So, but if you really want to see putting jello in a kettle, you can supply us with a kettle, we will make jello in a kettle. If this gets to 10 likes and we can find a kettle, we will make jello in a kettle. You're welcome. I'll put a picture of whoever commented that in our description in the here. So thank you to Jello in a Kettle Man. It was either, I think it was Victor. So thanks for that, Victor. If it wasn't Victor, it might have been Nathan. And then if it wasn't Nathan, it might have been Stian. And if it wasn't Stian, it could have been Fraser. So anyway.
If it wasn't Fraser, it could be Nathan. It could have.
No. If it wasn't Fraser,
then it could be Allie. It could be anyone.
We're confused. But thank you. So, just a reminder, for us to make jello in a kettle, we need to get to 10 likes. So yeah. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys bleh, in our next video. Peace!